Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is, which would be supported by the service request management practice? A request to authorize a change that could have an effect on a service. B, a request from a user for something which is a normal part of service delivery. C, a request to restore service after a service interruption. D, a request to investigate the cause of multiple related incidents. And the answer of the question is B, a service request is a request from a user or a user authorized representative that initiates a service action which has been agreed as a normal part of service delivery. Ref 5.2.16 rationale. A, incorrect. This would be supported by the change control practice. A, change is the addition, modification, or removal of anything that could have a direct or indirect effect on services. Normal change need to be scheduled, assessed, and authorized. Ref 5.2.4. C, incorrect. This would be supported by the incident management practice. An incident is an unplanned interruption to a service or reduction in the quality of service. Ref 5.2.5. D, incorrect. This would be supported by the problem management practice. A problem is cause or potential cause of one or more incidents. Ref 5.2.8. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.